Hi guys, welcome back to another video of mine. Today I'm going to be doing a bleaching 101. Originally it was meant to be a hair color tutorial, how to color and bleach the hair. So I'm starting off with this hair. I bought it from a vendor called Queen Hair on AliExpress. These are all the tools and products I'll be using. All the information about the hair, the tools and products will be listed in the description bar below. So I forgot to film the color part when I was actually applying the color. So now I've had to shorten the video and make it all about bleaching. So this is the Maxima brand that I'm using. I got it from my local beauty supply store. And when I mix the bleach, because this is not a real person's head, I'm not using real measurements. I'm simply just mixing it until I get a yogurt-like consistency. So guys, just a few tips when you are bleaching hair. Always make sure you're wearing your personal protective equipment, which is gloves and an apron. Make sure that the windows and the doors is open. And yeah, protect your hands because you don't want the bleach to cause chemical damage to your skin. So I'm just making sure that every inch of the hair is covered with bleach. In future, I would not use those duck-built clips at the top or those butterfly clips at the top, simply because it left behind dark patches when I was finished bleaching and coloring. And I'm just gonna massage the product in with my hands and maybe run a brush through it so that every strand gets coated. And I'll turn the hair over and do the same thing on the other side. When bleaching, guys, you do not need to cover the bleach. It's a fast acting agent and you need to continuously monitor the bleaching process. For this company, the company says to leave the product on for 20 to 40 minutes. For this particular bundle, I left the product on for 40 minutes and I left it open in the air so that I could see what was happening to the hair. If you want to speed up the bleaching process, you can use tools and equipments that are made for that purpose. I can't remember the name of them now, but I'll link it down below. There's a steamer that you can use, and there's like an electric tool that can be used to apply heat so the bleaching process is sped up. Now I'm moving on to the closure. As you can see, this is my first time actually bleaching the closure, so I'm trying to be careful. And at the top, you'll see me turn the brush diagonal to do some uneven strokes at the top, so it's not one straight line of demarcation. And I comb out the bleach with the comb as well to make sure that every strand gets coated with the bleach. When it's time to rinse the bleach away, you don't need to use any type of special shampoos and conditioners. And if you are going to color or tone the hair afterwards, you shampoo and condition last, because the shampoo and conditioner can act as a barrier and affect the coloring process or the toning process. So always shampoo and condition last if you're going to color and tone afterwards. So at the end, I simply wash away the bleach with some lukewarm water, and then I went on to tone. You guys are going to see the products that I use later on in an upcoming clip. I used the Garnier hair color, but it did not do what it was supposed to do. It didn't work as a toner. So I'm just trying to be careful not to get the bleach onto the lace. I've stopped bleaching my lace a long time ago. Ever since I took a wig making course, and the professional wig maker said, you know, laces shouldn't be bleached. The right color should be used in the beginning. And if you don't use the right color of lace, then it's better to tint the lace or color the lace rather than to bleach it. So I stopped bleaching my lace a long time ago. And I left the bleach on the closure for 20 minutes. And in the upcoming clip, you guys will see the difference between leaving the bleach on for 20 minutes versus leaving the bleach on for 40 minutes. So this is the Garnier color that I use. It is not a toner, and that is why it did not work as a toner. I thought I was trying to create a new hat there for a moment. This is the after effect. I didn't like the copper and the orange hues that was still showing. I wanted a golden, intense gold color, and I did not get that. And it's simply because it wasn't a toner. So the two bundles in the middle, they are what I left the bleach on for 40 minutes. As you can see, the color shows up more vibrant. The closure and the bundle at the sides, I left the bleach on for 20 minutes and it shows up more dark. And these are just some alternative toners that you can use for your hair if you wanted to go ahead and tone. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Please subscribe. Bye.